Hi, it's Carol from Sugar Sea Media, and I'm here to talk to you about the best cell phone video you could ever make. Now, you know in social media that video is on the rise, so don't you want to have the best video ever? So, today we're going to talk to you about lighting. The lighting that you get for your cell phone is so huge. The sensors in these little guys are small, so they don't allow as much light in as a professional would. So you're going to go and look for the most light that you possibly can. And where is that? That's outside. Now, natural light that you'll find outside has the best full spectrum, which means it has the best color. And of course, it's got the most light. So that's what you want to do for maximum video, is to find your natural light outside. Now, of course, if you're indoors and you can't access that full daylight, look for a window. Look for a window to light your subject, but remember, do not place your subject in front of the window. Make sure that your subject is away from the window and you can shoot your subject. This is what it looks like when your subject is in front of the window. It's the silhouette effect. So now I want you to see the difference when you place your subject away from the window and you shoot in front of your subject. What a difference. Now your light is shining right on your subject. So what if you have no outdoor light? You have no windows, it's nighttime and you're indoors. Well, you're going to flip the switch of every light you can possibly find. You're going to go and get lamps, take off the lampshades, and use that full gamut of light from those bulbs. That's how to maximize your light for your video on your cell phone. Go out there and shoot away.